Hello everyone. So start from the today class. We will continue till ECC. Okay. So here start from the component of ECC. So there are three component of ECC. First is healthy, nutrition and hygiene. Okay. Now these all are need to be the mother plus child. Okay. Because in the ECC here we are more focused about mother and child, because if we provide a more nutrition, if we provide a proper hygiene, if we provide a proper healthy environment to the mother, so it's a directly influence to the child. Okay. So in this case these three terms are very important. Now third is that care and protections. Here care and protection is one of the most important need for the mother as well as child. Now early stimulation means when we provided it proper sense, see, taste, touch, feel. Okay. Start from 1 to 3 year to work on sense. Okay. So basically in the component of ECC there are the 3 to 4 point which is very important. First is we provide a healthy nutrition and hygiene to the mother. Okay. So if we provide a proper nutrients to the mother, so it will directly influence to their child. Now next is that if we provide a proper care and protection. Okay. So it's a need for the mother. Okay. It's their primary requirement for their mother. Okay. Now third point is that early stimulation which is very important for their sense, touch, feel. Okay. Because if we touch in the primary important is that to develop their senses. Okay. To their child. So early stimulation is one of the most biggest component. Now which is a developed till 1 to 3 year. Okay. And here on worked on sense. Okay. Now next is come to the early learning which is occur 3 to 6 year according to NAP, but actually in the NAP there is a 3 to 18 year. Okay. But in the case of ECC start from the 3 to 6 year, basically the growth occur. Okay. According to NAP that will change ratio was 3 to 18 year. Okay. Here physical, social and cognitive, because in the ECC I have to told about that each and every prospect having the touch to the environment, touch to the child, each and every level. So here physical, social, cognitive is three factor which is a touch to the child. First is a physical development which is the all over development, because physical factor which is a primary factor which is a touch each and every point to the child. Suppose that motor development that was come to the physical development. Now social development, here in the social developments which is a child how to interact with the society, this is a social development. Third is a cognitive development. In the cognitive development basically what happens is that in the which is a touch their mental level. Okay. So in the ECC here the each and every aspect touches to the child. Okay. For their development and their growth. Okay. Here third is that ECC in the Indian context 1920 by the Gijju Bhai Badeka. Basically he is the founder. Okay. He is the founder of the Bal Mandir preschool Bhavnagar, Gujarat in 1920. This is a very important factual data. This is frequently asked in exam, so you guys are write it. Okay. As usual. Now third is that Gijju Bhai was open Gandhi Gijju Bhai. This is the school actually he opened that. Okay. Now here the Tara Bhai 1926. Okay. This is also name was Nutan Bal. Okay. This is also kind of institution that was run under the Tara Bhai. Okay. Now here the ICDC. This is also very important data which is frequently asked, so just note down as it is. This is the full form of Integrated Child Development Service 1975 under the Anganwadi. Okay. It's a work under the Anganwadi. Here now third is that UNCRC, United